Welcome to Daily Dose from Finity. In today's video, we will talk about debt funds. Any debt fund is a mutual fund scheme that invests in fixed income instruments such as corporate and government bonds, corporate debt securities, money market instruments, etc. Debt funds are also referred to as fixed income funds or bond funds. There are few advantages of investing in debt funds, which are low cost structure, relatively stable returns, high liquidity, and reasonable safety. Debt funds are ideal for investors who aim for regular income but are risk averse. Debt fund is less volatile and hence are less risky than equity funds. If you have been saving in traditional fixed income products like bank deposits and looking for reasonable returns with low volatility, debt funds could be a better option. Hope this video is helpful, and for more such videos, do subscribe the channel. Thank you. See you tomorrow.